It was the last day of the 5-day festival, annual festival at the Manakulangara Bhagavati temple, where in fact the two elephants were to lead a procession that was to happen late in the evening. And what we understand is that fireworks went off just as dusk was setting in. The fireworks went off, and one of the elephants seems to have got upset and became aggressive, and the other elephant also got incited, and subsequently they started running amok. What we understand is that the elephants themselves did not trample any of the devotees or people who had gathered in that area. But two things happened. One, that there was a stampede-like situation that ensued because there was a huge crowd, and when the elephants started running wild, people started running in panic. And second, there was an office building of the temple itself, which was rushed into by the elephants, and that collapsed. And inside, we are told there were certain performances that were happening that people were watching, and it is in that collapse as well, in the debris as well, that the victims were caught. Three people, Makuti, Leela and Rajan, were killed in this particular accident, and several others were injured in the accident as well. Now, probe committee that was ordered has submitted its report to the forest minister, and two things. They said that the permissions for the elephants parading or leading the procession was already taken, and that the distance was also maintained between the animals. But the other violations of the captive animals, being Kerala Captive Animals Management and Maintenance Act, or rules that were framed under it, those rules may have been violated, and those details are said to have been put in that report that's been submitted to the forest minister, based on which action likely to be taken.